Yeah, slight hiccup. We went over a pothole in Ockham Village, and unfortunately we've got a rear left front flat tyre when it went into a pothole. So it could well be a case that our trip to Brooklands is well and truly over today. Yeah, we're fine. We're just waiting for the AA to come out and pick us up, and afraid trip's postponed. I'll have to do a video for you another day, so it's just one of those things. So as and when, I'll do a video of Brooklands, and we'll take it from there. Anyway, speak to you soon. Cheers.